Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, Harish. Good evening, Aman. Yeah, excellent. Good evening, everyone. I think we are in a Pythagorean triplet. Which is the largest triplet in that Pythagorean mark? M square plus 1. Which is the least one? 2m. We already discussed with one example also. Which is the least one in Pythagorean triplet? 2m. And which is the largest one? M square plus 1. Please remember this. What are the Pythagorean triplets, children? M square minus 2m comma m square minus 1 m square plus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
And let me go with examples. That day we completed only one bit. Today we will see the further. Yeah, children, did you remember the end with 5 digits? Square of end with 5 digits? What is the sequence? Already we discussed. Can we recollect once again so that we can start like 15 square? So first number 1 multiplied with immediately next number, which is 2. So 2 you can write, and 5 square is, what is the value of 5 square? 25. Same like that, 195 square means 19 multiplied with the 20. So what is the value? How you supposed to write, children? 19 multiplied with the 20, then 5 square. 19 2 times 30.
It is a trick, ma'am.
3,008. Yeah. 38 380, and 5 square is 24. So 38,025. This is the way we can find. This is about a square of any number end with 5. Please recollect, that's more interesting and important to children. You can easily practice it. Next, Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. So Pythagorean triplets already we discussed, which is the least one, 2m, m square minus 1, largest one, m square plus 1. These are the Pythagorean triplets, children. Based on this, we have few exercise sums here. We took those sums. Yeah. Find, write the Pythagorean triplets whose one of the number is. They won't mention whether it is the least or the largest. Generally, they gave write a Pythagorean triplet whose one of the number is 6. Whose one of the number is 6. So which one we should equate, children? Whose one of the number is 6. So any one of the number is given. It's 6. We don't know other two numbers. Which number it is also we don't know. Whether it is 2m or m square minus 1, m square plus 1. So generally you go with some logical way, children. Any number nearest to square here? Huh? No, I think. So which is even or odd number? Because it is even or odd number. Even number. Generally, if it is even, It's multiple of 2, right? Let me go with the 2m is equal to, first equate with the 6. So m is equal to 3. M equal to 3, right? So if m equal to 3, what about other two triplets, children? Yes, Hari Karthik, are you there, ma?
Can I ask this after this question? Or should I ask now? It is small doubt.
Hari Karthik, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I am there. Ma'am?
Hari, am I audible to you, Hari?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I ask this after this or right now? Because it's a small question. Can I ask? Ma'am, is 1, 1 and 2 a Pythagorean triplet? 1, 1, 2.
1, 1, 2. But you need to check whether, Hari, it is 1, 1, 2 is Pythagorean triplet or not. So 1 square plus 1 square, it's 2 square. Is it same? 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1, which is 4. So this is not a Pythagorean triplet, beta. Because we have the way also. What is that? Sum of two sides is always greater than the third. What is a triangular? Whether it is triangular or not, there is a few more properties also. We have to recollect those properties also while we are taking this. So we cannot take 1, 1, 2. Now let me go with this. Is also I'm not sure whether it is correct or not. Let me with the trial and error method. Now m square minus 1 means m square is 3 square. 3 square minus 1. 9 minus 1, which is 8. What about m square plus 1? 9 plus 1, which is 10. Let me go with whether these are Pythagorean triplets or not. So Pythagorean triplet means the sum of leg 1 square plus leg 2 square is equal to hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse is the largest one, right? Hypotenuse is the largest one.
Ma'am, it is 6 square plus 8 square.
What, ma?
It is 6 square plus 8 square. Not 3 square.
3 square 9, right?
No, ma'am. Actually, the question is 6 square, 8 square, and 10 square. You wrote 3 square plus 8 square is equals to 10 square.
Oh, sorry, beta, sorry. This is one of the triplet is 6 square, right. This is 2m. This is m. Okay, we should consider. Very good, Harshit. Good. Yeah, 6 square is 36. 8 square is 64, which is together 100. Yes or no? Is it together 100? Yes. So is it Pythagorean triplet or not? Yes, these are Pythagorean triplet. What are the values? 6, what are the triplets? So 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 10 is a Pythagorean triplet, right? Hope you understood, children. Any doubt here? Any doubt? Go with the next bit, children. Go with the next bit. There are few 14 case. Suppose here, of course, it is even number. Can we equate to 2m? Yes. Can we equate to 2m? Yes, children, can be equated to 2m equal to 7, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So one of the triplet is 14. Then what is m square minus 1 and m square plus 1? 48 and
48.
49. Is it same thing, children? 14, 48, 49. Is it true?
Ma'am, m square minus 1 is 48, ma'am.
Then m square plus 1 is?
M square plus 1.
Plus 1.
50.
50? Is it 50? Yes. Now check it whether it is Pythagorean triplet or not, beta. 14 square, you know very well. 48 square. Together it is 50 square. 50 square means 5 square is 25, 2,500. You just check with sometimes n digit also, children. 8 square is 4. 4 square is almost, I think you may get 6 plus 4. Once again, it ends with 0. Like that also you can estimate, but the estimation is not always correct. Maybe in this case it is true, children. You can find out the value of 14 square. What is 14 square? 196. 48 square is 2,000. 2000. What is 48 square, children? 48 into 48. Easiest way, 48 square, you can even write it as 50 minus 2 whole square. 500 square, 50 square plus 2ab minus 2ab minus 2 into 50 into 2 in minus 2 square. So 5 square 2500 minus
2304.
200. Yeah. Right. 2304. Right, ma?
Yes, ma'am. 2304.
I think 48 square is 12. Now, if you add up these two together, surely you will get 2500. Add up 196 to this.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you add up 0, once again 10, so 5. Yeah, it's 2. Yeah. So this is also triplet, children. Yes, it is also Pythagorean triplet.
Ma'am, shall we go to next question? Question number.
Right, children, go back to the question. Can you please check for 16 and 18, children, please? Through chat box, you can message me. What are the Pythagorean triplets for 16 and 18? Come on, children. 16 and 18.
Yes, ma'am, doing ma'am. Am I forwarding you? Ma'am, I post the answer, ma'am. Off.
I got the answer from the student, right? Very good. Student gave its 16. Harish, small error. What is the first error? We did the same thing you repeated, I think. You are equating to value. You should take as 2m beta. One of the triplet you can take as 2m, not m. M is 8 there. Take as 2m. It's 16. Please once again check Harish. Harshit, very good. Harshit given correct one. Even Hari Karthik gave wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Hari Karthik, please consider that 2m. It's not m. Pythagorean triplets are. What are the triplets, beta? What are the triplets? 2m.
M square minus 1 and m square plus 1.
Yeah, please don't forget. A general mistake done by the students, the same thing.
Yes, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Please. So it's 2m. 2m. So one of the triplet is given as 2m with 16. So m is 8. So m square minus 1. So 16. 8 square is 64 minus 1, which is 63.
That's 65.
Yes. 60, right, ma. M square plus 1 is 65. You have to take this as a triplet beta. Don't consider this. Only for this next step, we are taking this. But 2m is our triplet. So 8, 63, 65. Go with the last one. Please go for the last one. 18. For 18. Yeah. Shrestha, please. Shrestha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please for 18. You for 18.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have set.
In this case, which one? Yes, I got answer. Very good, Harshit. Hari Karthik given. The same mistake again, Harish.
Ma'am,
Harish. Harish, same thing. You are taking M. You should consider as 2M, one of the triplet. Don't take 9. I hope you understood your error. Harish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Same thing you are repeating. See here, Pythagorean triplets are 2M and M square minus 1, M square plus 1.
Yes,
These
ma'am.
are the triplets. Yeah. Already directly we got 2M as 18, right? So M square means from this 9 square minus 81, 80.
82.
Right, Shrestha. Correct one. Correct. Very good. That's all, children. Pythagorean triplet. Damn sure you will get one of the question in your examination. General mistake done by the students. They will, in a hurry, they will write the M value as 9. So this is one of the triplet they will take. So please be alert while you are writing your triplets. You have to write only 2M, M square minus 1, M square plus 1.
Okay, ma'am. Got it now.
Yeah. That's about your squares, children. Coming to square roots. So best go with a beautiful example. Here the area of square is given. Area of the square is given 144 square units. Area is 144 square units. Units. Why square units means it is area, children. You need to find out the sides. So how you will get the sides? Square means all sides are equal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, side multiplied with side is equal to 144 square units. So what is S? How you supposed to find out the side? If you want to find out the side, so side square is equal to, this can be written as 12 into 12, right?
Yes,
Side
ma'am.
square is equal to 12 into 12. So 12 square, you can write a square number. So square get cancelled. You can write S as 12. Not only in this way, even you can S square is equal to 144. If you want find out S value, square root, you can apply. This is the symbol for square root, children. Please remember, this is the symbol for square root. What is this? This is the symbol for square root. Yeah. Square root symbol. We can call it as square root.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? So this is the way, it's a simple thing, children. Only the part what we are going, we already completed the part. How we are getting a square? By finding the square root of the 144. How we are getting square root of 144 also? They gave in different ways, children. You can see here. What is the length of diagonal of the square of side 8 centimeters? This is another one. I think this is another one. This part is more important, children. Here, of course, the inverse operation of addition is subtraction. Inverse operation for multiplication is division. Similarly, finding square root of inverse operation of squaring. Inverse operation of squaring. Same way how we supposed to inverse operations for addition is subtraction. Inverse operation for multiplication is division. Similarly, for square root, it is squaring on both sides. Squaring. So same, but only the case you see, children, in this case, one of the example he mentioned the 9 square and minus 9 square. Why both are having a positive 81? 9 square means 9 into, yes, ma'am.
Minus into minus is equals to plus.
Very good, Shrestha. But here it's 81,
that
right?
wasn't me.
Yeah.
Minus into minus plus, ma'am.
Right. So in this case, negative number multiplied with negative number is
Plus.
positive. So, but minus 9 whole square, if you take this way, making as a square root, what happens? You will get?
Square cancel.
Yeah, root and square get cancelled here. Root and square get cancelled here. So, minus 9 you will get, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus or minus, that's why it's plus or minus, children. Generally, we will mention any numbers plus or minus. Plus or minus we are taking, but in this case side is not a non-negative number, so it's positive number we are taking as a positive values. Just before the example you have to take the same example. Yeah, same example you take. Suppose this is a square, what we did, we are taking as area as, just a minute children, area is 144 square units, right? So if you want find out the side, so side square is equal to 144. S square is equal to, how you will write, children?
12 into 12.
12 into 12, okay. Or else a square root of 144, right? The square root of vice versa. So S is equal to square root of 144, not S square. So S is equal to square root of 144 means here you will get plus or minus 12. But S is equal to maybe plus or S is equal to minus 12. Side should not be a negative, right? Negative. So we are taking only positive. So S is equal to 12 centimeter side. That's the thing, children. Some cases, general examples also we will take and consider, but it's a plus or minus square root. If you remove the square root, it obviously you will get plus or minus. 11th class generally you will use, but in this lower class we are taking only positive values, children. Don't consider for negatives. You can take as only positives. Suppose if you are going to 11th class, definitely you will write as a value of side is plus or minus 12. We are not considering a negative. Negative also you can consider. See here also they mentioned, for example, root 4 is 2, not minus 2. Root 9 is 3, not minus 3. Positive square root of a number is denoted by the symbol root. Only positive square roots.
Ma'am, the negative square roots, what is the symbol they are denoted by?
We cannot write. Suppose you see negative square roots, negative imaginary numbers, those are not, those are complex numbers, but suppose if any number negative 144 is there, square root of negative 140. How are you supposed to find out here? Yes. So how do we have to consider, ma'am, in this case? Is negative 12 whole square, right? This is once again square root of minus 1. So I think it's an imaginary minus square root of minus negative numbers. We cannot. That's why they mentioned clearly here. The word they mentioned, you have to see positive square root of a number is denoted by this symbol. Negative square roots, that's imaginary numbers. Later you can go with the complex analysis. There you will learn those things. Only we are going with positive square root numbers denoted with the symbol square root. Right, children. That's why we are not considering. You have to see all the statements. 1 square is 1, root of 1 is nothing but 1. 2 square is 4, root of 4 is 2. 3 square is root 9 is 3. We are never take as a negative things. Find the square root through repeated subtraction. This is one more important thing, children. Already we did this repeated subtraction. Where we did? Already we completed somewhere, right? Repeated subtraction.
Ma'am,
Where
I
you
think
did in squares,
what?
right? In squares we are doing, right? Finding
Yes.
square number using repeated subtraction. Same way finding the square root of number repeated subtraction. So suppose 81, root 81, if you want to find out the square root, you have to consecutive odd numbers you're supposed to, yeah, subtract. 81 minus 1, which is 80. 80 minus 3, once again 77. This already we did, children. From 81, we have subtracted successively odd number starting from 1, obtained to 0 at 9th step. So how many steps repeatedly we did? 9 steps. That's why the value of square root of 81 is 9. We will go with some other example, not Harshit. We will take some other number, not this number. Can we take as 144? 144, or else another square number you take, whether
169. 169.
Yes, 169. Repeatedly subtract. First go with 1. What is the value? 168. Yeah, 168 minus 3, which is 165. 165 minus 5. It's 160. Yeah, 160 minus 7. It's 153. Yeah, 153 minus 9.
143.
144 minus 11.
133.
132. 132 minus 13.
133, I think.
133, man.
Oh, sorry, ma. It's 133. Really good. Good. Yeah, 133 minus 13.
120.
120. 120 minus, same way, repeatedly you can, children. 15. 105. 105 minus 17, which is
108.
Is it
98?
98 or 88, ma?
88.
88, right? 88 minus 19.
69.
68. 68 minus 21.
Now it's 69.
69, right. Correct, ma. 69. 69 minus 21.
48.
48.
Yeah, 48 minus 23.
25.
25.
Yes, Nana?
25.
25. Yes, 25 minus 25.
0.
So how many consecutive steps we did, ma? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 169 can be written as a square root of 169 is nothing but 13. This is definitely, surely they will mention, children, successive subtraction method. Consecutive subtraction or successive subtraction method. Find the square root of 169 using successive subtraction method. Means you have to do only this repeated subtraction or successive subtraction method. Anything, the word is same. You can go with the part. You can try. These are the things, children. You can whether the numbers are squares or perfect squares are not using repeated subtraction. Because
we did the addition of consecutive odd numbers in exercise 6.1.
Yeah, but 55 is it a perfect square root, ma? Square root of 55 is a perfect square number or not?
No, ma'am.
36, yes. 49, yes. 90, no.
No.
Yeah, you can children try it in home, children, with your book. You can try it. Square root prime factorization method. This is more interesting and very easiest method for you, children. It's more easiest method you can do in your examination. They will mention whether it is a prime factorization method or a successive subtraction method or else long division method. Anything you can go with different methods. Particularly mention the name means you can go with particular method or else general method you can find it, children. You can go with the exercise sums.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. This is what could be the possible ones digit of a square root of each of the following. Possible square root. If 1 is there, you know very well. 81 possible square root is units place.
Yes,
Please
Nine.
text me children through chat box. Very good, Shrestha. Good. Yeah, for 6. For 6. Square root of 36. You can go with the square root of 36. 6.
6.
Very good. Right. Go with next number. 1 once again. Maybe possible square root once digit is
1 or 9.
81.
Very good. It's 1. For 5.
5.
5.
Right. Good. Same thing, go with the next part, children. Without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely non-perfect squares.
And first one is a not.
Hey, we know that very well, right? Which are non-perfect squares.
The first 3 are not perfect squares.
2, 3?
The first 3.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
2, 3, 7, 8, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So which are non-perfect square? By looking only which only maybe possibility is the last case. Other cases, true, Shrestha, correct. 441 last may be possible in these cases. 2, 3, 7, 8 are 2, 3 and 7, 8 are not possible.
Ma'am,
Next,
441 is 21 square.
Harshit?
Ma'am, 441 is square root of 21.
Yeah, it's 20.
151.
Very good. Right. Till 25, you should be thorough, children. You go with question number 3. Find the square root of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. You know very well this. You can do, children, repeated subtraction steps only. Odd numbers you are subtracting continuously. So till you will get 0. If remainder is 0, then it is a perfect square number. If remainder is non-zero, it is non-perfect square number. Right. Next, last, fourth bit. What is the fourth bit? Using prime factorization method. This I did not teach yet, children. This is, you know very well from your lower classes. So 729. Can I take a little big number so you can try for the small numbers? 9604. I'll try, children.
Okay.
What is finding square roots in different methods? Finding square roots. One is successive subtraction method or repeated subtraction method. Repeated subtraction method. Second method, what we just read, no?
Prime.
We did not do anything. Only we did with the repeated subtraction method, and we are doing with prime factorization method. PF method or prime factorization method. We can call it as PF method. And the third one is long division method. Pairing up. Long division is nothing but pairing. Long division. These are some rules we have to learn for this. Long division, okay, we'll see that step by step. Then we will go with the prime factorization method. The number is mentioned here, 9604. 96. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Of 100, I got it, ma'am.
Harshit?
Subtraction.
Which one, Nana? Repeated subtraction?
Third one, ma'am. 100.
Long division. Long division.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Repeated subtraction is there, ma'am.
For larger numbers, it is difficult better. That's why it is a drawback. A disadvantage in the drawback is what happened. It's only the thing. A repeated subtraction. Suppose how many times repeatedly till 0 you will get means it takes.
Ma'am, another question, ma'am, of third one.
1 minute. Let me go back question. Find the square roots of 100 and 169. You want once again? Can I help you once again?
No, ma'am, I did it.
Oh, very good, Nana. You can, okay. Can you post that or else I'll pin to your screen. 1 minute, children, give a minute time. I'll come back in a minute.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, sorry, children. It's yeah. Come back to the part of a long division method. Why repeated subtraction method is not always suggested means for lower least numbers like 10, 169, it takes a very less. It is very small numbers. We can go. Suppose if it is more than 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits. So repeated subtraction takes many pages to solve. And it also time consuming and paper wasting. So we are not suggested that method. But particularly they're asking the method to solve means you please go with, they won't give big numbers. They will definitely give small numbers if they're asking the question to find out repeated subtraction method. If they did not mention any method means you can go with factorization method or division method, children. That's your wish. So 9604, 9604. Least even number you can take, children. Which is least even number?
2.
2. Even prime number 2. So 2 4 times, 2 8 times, 0 and half of the number. Just half of that. Half of 4000 is 2008,401. Now it is even number. You can go with either the divisibility rule of
3 can't
3 or any other numbers.
And 3 can't.
3 can't. Very good. 3 cannot because the sum should be 7. Very good. What is the other possibilities, children? Please try with another numbers like 7, 13, 23. Some other prime numbers you can. 7 table. Is it possible with 7 table?
I'm 343.
It is 7 table.
Yes,
7 table. Okay. 7 ones are 7.
343.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good.
343. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. 343. 343. Once again, you know very well. It's a 7 cube, right, children? It's 7 cube.
Yes, ma'am. 49. Then 7.
Yeah. Once again, it is moving with 7. 7.
49.
49, Kadma? 49. Yeah. Once again, 7 sevens. So 7. Yeah. You can pair up, children. Square root means just pairing. Pairing means pair. You have to make pairs. So 2. For this, you have to take as 1, 2. For this one pair, you can take as 1 because square root we are finding. So for this square root of 9604 is nothing but 2 into 7 into 7. So which is
49 twos are 98.
Very good. That's all, children. That's all. That's all. Can you try, children, other bits today? Can you please try it? The fourth bit, other bits, we will, through chat box, you can just message me.
Which bit, ma'am? From which?
The fourth one, there are 10 bits we have. I did only one bit, the sixth bit. Can you please try other bits in the book?
From starting or from?
Starting from first, 729. Right, through chat box, you just message me. Children who did not get yet, ma'am, I don't know how you are doing the part. Can you please help me? You put message ID so that I can help you. Arush, Pranav, I did not get answer. Today is very quiet. Sriram, why is Sriram very quiet today? Sriram? Okay. Pranav, which one? Pranav, dear, please tell the doubt part. I'll help you. Because anyway, other students they're doing, particularly I'll help you. Please, what type of question you have doubt? Please let me know, Pranav. Arush, right. Arush, any doubts? Repeated division. Okay. Repeated subtraction, right? Repeated division is not there. Okay. Sure. Is it repeated subtraction, Pranav? Pranav, message me. Okay. Yeah. Pranav, repeated subtraction is not applicable in. I actually learned this chapter already in school. Good, Arush.
We got 4 pairs, ma'am. 3 pairs. 3 pairs.
Repeated subtraction will go with, okay. The repeated subtraction, we will take small numbers. It is there in your textbook. 2 numbers, 169 we did already. 100 we will take. 100. Will we take 100?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Harshit, you are correct. Shrestha given correct. Yeah, Shrestha, good. Wonderful. She is given all the successive values also. How she did the values also, she mentioned. Good. 1 minute. I'm not able to see. Hey, are you able to see my screen or not?
Yes, ma'am, we can see you are in.
Pranay cannot able to see. 1 minute, I will restart once again my screen. Pranav, please check right now whether you are able to see or not.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes, I can.
Hello.
Correct, Harshit. Okay. Very good.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, in triumphation, how to write, ma'am, means after the whole thing.
Pranav, are you able to look my whiteboard right now? So, repeated subtraction, you have doubt. Finding square root. Finding square root. Using repeated subtraction. Good. Using repeated subtraction. Yes. Children, others you can do, children. I'll just help Pranav. I'll come back. Repeated subtraction. So I'm taking number 100, finding the square root of 100 using repeated. So you want to find out square root of 100. You know very well it's 10, but we are doing some procedure. They mentioned using the repeated subtraction only you should do. If you do directly, they won't give mark. They will put 0 for you. You have to use repeated subtraction. For that, what you should do, take 100 first. From what are odd numbers, children? What are odd numbers?
Which are not divisible by 2.
1, 3, 5, 7, this on. So repeatedly you have to subtract odd numbers. First odd number is 1. So you subtract 1 from in first step. Step 1, what you will do? You will subtract 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1 is 99. Take this 99 now. 99 minus next odd number is
3.
Next odd number is 3. So 99 minus 3 is 96. Yeah. 96. Once again, what is next odd number, Nana? 5. So 5. 96 minus 5 is 91. Take once again 91. 91, what is next odd number? 7. So which is 80?
84.
84. Now
Yes.
take as 84 minus next 7 after 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is 75.
5.
75 minus 11.
64.
Nana, 60?
4.
64, 60?
4, ma'am.
4 kada Nana?
64.
64. 64 minus 13.
51.
51. 51 minus 15.
36.
36. 36 minus next 15. Next means 17. 17.
19.
And
Is it not?
17, 8, 9.
19, ma'am.
How much, ma'am?
19.
19. So 19 minus again 19. Next odd number is 19. 19 minus 19. This is how
10.
many steps we will do? This is the first step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth step, seventh step, eighth step, ninth step, 10th step. That means square root of 100 will occur in 10 steps. So the value is
10.
10. Hope you understood, Nana, Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. You can try some other numbers, small numbers. Take a small number like 25. You can take your own way. You can try the same. First number, you have to take a first odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers, repeatedly your subtraction. That's why it is repeated subtraction. Successive subtraction or repeated. Yes, Harshit, Shrestha, Harish, wonderful. I got Hari Karthik not responded today. I don't know what he is doing.
Just know the questions, ma'am. Which you are explaining.
1 minute, Nana. I'll share. Hari Karthik, are you there or simply sitting in the class?
Ma'am.
Hari Karthik.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. I did not get any response from you. Through chat box, you're not giving. Children, can we play a small quiz on this concept? Because
Yes,
continuously I'm teaching, so it won't help. I'll stop it and next class. Okay, Pranav, this method you understood, Pranav?
Yes,
Long
ma'am.
division. This method, fourth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Prime factorization method.
Yes.
Try in home and come back, man. Take a small quiz.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Huh? Let me take it. Yes.
Okay, Nana, can I stop share?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, all we are here for learning things. Please share your difficulties. If any way I'm going little faster also, please let me know whether, ma'am, please go with the slow. Or put some just message me, go slow or else take some time to spend in the particular topic. Please put a word. We all are for learning the things. Once the syllabus is done, we are going with the competency-based questions, children, because you have very less portion in this year. We are going with some IMO type of questions, so you can practice such a bits. It will help.
Yes.
quiz I'm giving children. Once you are done the quiz part means you can leave children. Don't wait for my presence. And how many questions? Can I share 10 questions children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 10.
Basic questions only I will give. Questions. Yeah, only 10 questions children. I'm sharing your link, quiz link.
Okay, ma'am.
You can try it and you complete it and you can leave children. Don't wait for my presence. Once done, you can leave. Sharing the link with you through chat box. Please join quickly, children. Please join. Harshit, are you joining, ma? Harshit and yeah, Harshit joined. Pranav, Harish, Shrestha, Karthik. Who did not? Arush, please join the quiz, ma. Arush and one more student. Sriram is outside this side. Sriram, are you joining? Okay. I'll start the quiz, children. Don't waste your.
Ma'am, I'm trying to join the quiz, ma'am.
Okay, not an issue. You can.
Yes, ma'am, it's coming. 1 minute. Ma'am,
Yes, Sriram.
they just started test, ma'am.
Very good, Karthik. You can leave, Nana. Karthik, Shrestha, Harish.
Ma'am, mine done, ma'am.
Yeah. Almost done, right? Very good. Yes, you can leave. Don't wait long.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Pranav also done. Good. You can leave, Pranav. Good, Harshit. Very good.
Ma'am, come.
Yeah. Good, Nana. Once done means you can leave, children. Harshit, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can leave, Nana. You can leave. Good, Nana.
Ma'am, can you
1
share
minute,
the
Harshit.
ma'am?
I'll mute. Yeah. 1 minute, Harshit. Give a minute. I'll mute this. I cannot hear you. Yeah, Harshit, please tell Nana.
Ma'am,
Harshit?
can you share the worksheet in resources in Vizag?
Which one, Nana? Leaderboard?
In resources, ma'am. I am a worksheet.
How can I share with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You almost done. Very good, Nana. Harshit, I should first share with you. Why? Because you already completed even cubes also. Is it near your? Where are you staying, beta?
Ma'am, my home location.
Can I leave?
Yeah, Sriram, you can leave, Nana. I said, Sriram, good, Nana. You can leave, beta. Because I think your network is little slow, right, today?
Yes.
Okay, you can leave. I'm waiting for Pranav also completed test. Okay, everyone can leave. Harshit, I'll share Harshit. Because where are you, Harshit? You are near means I'll share the book directly, or else if you are far means I'll share images with you.
Langarhouse, Golconda, Mehndipatnam.
So it's so far, right? I'm somewhere very long, unable to meet. Okay, so I'll send the image. Today, can I send which chapter I'll send, ma?
Ma'am, if you have the PDF of the whole book, can you send
PDF,
me?
it is already there. Manoj sir is not uploaded in the classroom this year. I don't know why, because a portion are not completed. That's why he's waiting. Once portions are done, he will. But good students are supposed to not waste their time. That's my worry. So I'll share the images better. Whatever the chapters you need, you will share with you. So you can go with the complex questions too. Meanwhile.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I'll put a word to Manoj sir, if possible, he will upload in the classroom so everyone can access, the students can access and do that.
Yes, ma'am. Comparing quantities means it's a bit hard. That's why it is getting so late.
Comparing, which one? You want comparing quantities?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm not understanding. Actually.
Just message me, Harshit, so I'll share with you. Okay? Which chapter you need frequently, you just through. Anyway, you are sending the notebook also. So I'm continuously watching you. I'm extremely very happy with you, Harshit. Really, I want to share the same thing with Manoj sir also, because both three kids are lovely kids. You are doing absolutely good job. Please continue with the same spirit to practice the CB questions also. Competency-based questions you can practice, Harshit.
Okay,
I'll share. You just message me whichever your requirement. I'll share immediately. Okay.
okay, thank you very much.
Bye, Harshit. Bye. See you.